Oh, it has many things at the bottom too. And it's out. Oh, look at this beautiful piece. Look at the size of that piece. Look at this. Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are inside of a construction site and you can see all of the pieces over here. There's a cavity over there which we're going to check out soon. So this is basically a Mordenite, giant Mordenite. We're going to just check out for some good pieces over here. So now we are on the way to the cavity. I have a helmet equipped right here, and just to be safe. And now here's the main giant pieces. Digging inside and trying to take out that large apophyllite cube, and it's here. Look at this. It's a part of a green little bit. Beautiful piece on the base of Mordenite. The piece just came out. It has a good green color like all of the other pieces. I think so the green color comes from the copper or possibly chlorite. This one has a good green color, like good one. It's kind of dark green. And as usual in the apophyllite structure, it has this square tops. I also took this out from the insides. Another great piece. Another nice piece. We pulled all of these pieces out. There are many more. We'll just see how much we get. It's an extremely tough place because you can see the height of it is extremely small, but it goes extremely deep, and that's the main tough problem about these kind of cavities. So now we have pulled inside to take out this piece. It came out from very deep inside. Broken piece, but I think it was worth it. Green color as always. Little bit broken on this side. Base of Mordenite, and there's also another piece over there. Come on. Another giant piece of green apophyllite, and the base is of Mordenite, this whitish powdery substance you can see here. We are taking out this piece. It's a double. Oh, it has many things at the bottom too. And it's out. Oh, look at this beautiful piece. One of our best pieces today. Giant one. For ball formation. I was trying to take that out, but then a problem came at that the rock. The rock, it's extremely tough and properly attached, so it's not possible to take that out. Our guy is helping us to take this piece out. This is going to be a large piece, if it comes out, that is. Look at the size of that piece. Look at this. Look at this piece we got out. It has come in some small pieces, but we'll try and get the proper balls out and the proper crystals. And some of them are Mordenites too, as I can see there. Some of them are Mordenites, which is a rare mineral. Here are the best pieces we got that day. So let's first start with the large one. This is a beautiful piece of Stilbite and Apophyllite. Large ball over here. Some cubes scattered all over the matrix of Mordenite. And then here's another beautiful piece of Stilbite with Apophyllite cubes. This is also another large one. Just look at the patterns of Stilbite on this one. Beautiful piece. Let's come to the Stilbite flowers. So these are two beautiful pieces. This is a large one, proper bow tie. Another bow tie. Nice pieces with some Apophyllite cubes scattered on the Stilbite. Here's another tiny piece of two big Apophylites. Some tiny matrix piece. Then here's some green Apophyllite. Most of the ones over here are pretty similar, but let's start with the large ones. So here's the dark green large piece, giant piece of Apophyllite. Then this one is also another beautiful piece, matrix piece again. Then here's a best piece. Slightly, you must have seen in the video, there was a large portion over here. It sadly broke apart. It was extremely delicate as the Mordenite already had cracks in it. But the two Apophyllites remained as they were. Beautiful piece it is. And here's some more green Apophyllite. More green Apophyllite. Some more. A tiny one with a little bit of Stilbite running through. Then here are some more green pieces. Another tiny one. These are extremely rare Fluoroapophyllite pieces. Rare to find these big cubes and these perfect squares at the tops. Then some more nice pieces. Nice one with some Apophyllite coming through the bottom also, with the base of Mordenite is. Again the rectangular tops, the square tops. Overall that cavity was just fascinating. One of the best pieces we found in that area.